Hello my dear all friends, hope you all good. Today I am show you all hand painting. First one is a very cute ice cream. Please show how I paint this, and I am tried this on my hand, and I hope you all of you love this hand painting. I am using fabric color for these hand paintings. Please watch this video till the end. Now here I am use mixing color of red and white. If you have pink color, then you can use this. Now paint cute eyes of ice cream. This is my most favorite and this is super cute. Please comment how it is and also paint green stars, and this is finally complete and turn the next one. Second hand painting is also my favorite. Cloud birds painting. I love cloud birds and follow my every steps and paint beautiful painting, and every color name mentioned on video screen and description box also. Please check my description box. If all my friends like and love my painting and sketches, please also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name mentioned on my video screen and description box also. If you create your own style of hand painting or other sketch painting anything, please DM me on Instagram. I love to see you all my friends painting and sketches. And also I hope you all love these three paintings, and I am just create this. You can also create other painting. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching my all three hand painting, and thank you.